Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce myself to you. Firstly, my name is Tia. I'm a student from Ban Private School in 6th grade. I like science and English. English because it's a lesson that you can learn many things in English. My favorite animal is koalas and flamingo, but apparently all the animals are special to me. I'm interested in books and reading books, actually history books, because you can learn about things that you didn't know about the past. And I like traveling. It's one of my hobbies. Traveling is something that you go, and when you go to traveling, you want to travel, you study many things about the countries. My favorite place in the school is the library because it's silent and there's books. You can learn many things in the books. And thank you for listening to me. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, today I will be introducing myself. My name is Joanna. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Iraq, Erbil. I'm a grade 6 student in band school. The reason I love band school because it's very fun and it helps us learn a lot of new things that we didn't know about. My favorite subject is English and math. English helps us learn a language that most countries speak, and math helps us answer mathematical questions. What are my hobbies are playing sports such as basketball or football. I'm interested in reading and I read about an hour a day, and that's all. Thanks.
باخچە و قوتابخانەی بان ماڵێک بۆ پەروەردە و ژیان.